What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Channel. Look back with another pre-market analysis. Let's get straight into the video. I'm not trying to make the video too long like the last one was. All right. So we're going to start off with some gold. Looking on gold, as you can see, my daily time frame is indeed bearish, but we may have potential to go bullish. Looking at our 4 time frame, we are already bullish. We have a market structure shift here, where this impulse up took out this previous lower high. Looking on our 1 hour time frame, we are bullish as well, but this bullish push is very aggressive. I want to see some kind of retracement or some kind of lower time frame range to form before I look at entry. So I'm looking at gold buys overall. Coming into London or New York session, I'll look to take buys off of this rejection, this break and retest, with structure on the lower time frames as I like to enter. But as far as sells, I'll be open to taking sells below here because this is the level where the 4 hour decides to shift back into bear structure. We can look to target these lows. After gold, we have GBP USD. Look on the daily time frame, overall bullish, but we're in a deep retracement. On the 4 hour time frame, we are bearish, putting clear lower lows and lower highs here. Look on the 1 hour time frame, we are bearish as well. Now we're inside this range. All I want to see is just a break and retest of this previous low, where we can have a trend continuation to go bearish. If not, I'll wait for the 4 hour to go bullish above this area where I'll look to take some buys. And that's what I'll think about later on in the week. And that's what I think about GBP USD. Now we have some Euro JPY. Looking on Euro JPY, we're overall aggressively bullish. We have a big impulse up. We have broken above this previous high here. Aggressively bullish. 4 hour time frame bullish as well. We are at equal highs with a 4 hour bullish closure right over here. So I just want to continue this bullish momentum. Looking on our time frame, we are aggressively bullish as well. We had this break and retest and a continuation, but we have an aggressive breakout above this high here. This price never pulled back after this aggressive push. So I'll be waiting for a retest back into this area for a trend continuation buys. Other than that, if price wants to give me a if price breaks below 170.776, I'll look to take sells below this area because this is where the 4 hour shifts back into bear structure. So if price decides to go aggressively higher up as well, I'll just look to take a break and retest of this small range here. Now we have your USD JPY. Looking on USD JPY, looking on our daily time frame, we are overall bullish, making a new high currently. Looking on our 4 time frame, we're overall bullish, again a new high currently. As this 4 hour goes bearish, I'll look to take sells below this higher low. Then we go down to the 1 hour time frame. Look on the 1 hour time frame, we broke above this level, never came back for a retest just yet. So I'll wait for price to pull back into a retest, give me this break and retest vibes. Or we can have a break and retest above this high here, or a trend continuation of the overall bullish momentum. I'm not really interested in NAS 100. I got a lot of NAS trades last week. I'm not really interested in trading the NASDAQ now, just because we're overall inside this massive range. We're still bullish, but we're inside a massive range. I'd rather just take trend continuation buys if price re-break these highs up here. But versus sells, I really don't want to trade inside this range. I'll sub if we can get a break and retest of this area and target these lows down over here. I don't really want to trade into the USD. Looks pretty trash. GBP JPY. Look on the daily time frame. We're overall aggressively bullish. We have a break and retest of this previous daily high. On the 4 hour time frame, we are bullish as well. We just had this break and retest and potential continuation, but we're overall ranging in a bullish market. If we could break and close below this level of support here, I'll be open to taking some sells because this is where the 4 hour time frame shifts bearish. And look on the 1 hour time frame, we're overall inside the 1 hour range. Again, this range is a range that I don't want to trade in. This price action is really choppy. Other than that, we can look to take some buys if we get a break and retest above these previous highs here on GBP JPY. And that's really it. Looking at the week, coming into the week. So these are everything I'm looking for. Just a quick recap. Gold buys primarily, GU sells primarily, EJ buys primarily, UJ buys primarily, and GJ buys primarily, but I'm open to taking sells. Not really interested in NAS 100. But as far as NAS, If you do get a breakout later on in the week to the downside below this area, take sells, or later on in the week a break to the upside above this area, look to take buys. That's really it for my pre-market breakdown. Not too much, nothing too crazy. I think last week we had a lot of good markets. We ate up last week, had a lot of solid trades. You were in the live streams, you know the trades that we caught. If you're from the TikTok lives as well, or the TikTok videos, you should know the trades that we caught as well. I'll be updating the trades I'm open to taking this week in the Discord during London session. So if you're there, stay active. Let me know in the comments what pair you're watching today, or what pair you're looking to trade come London Open. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily breakdowns. Trade smart. Let's get it, chat. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out. Peace.